An event like this helps our students with critical thinking and design thinking that's going to help them with job employment in the future.
I've learned a lot because coming to this I didn't really know a lot about SportsTech, and we've had lots of people coming in and talking about it.
The mentors have all been really helpful in giving us guidance, giving us lots of different ideas on some talk about drones involved in sports technology, others talk about like streamlining products and services like apps and stuff like that, and they've really opened our eyes up to how diverse the world of sports tech is.
So SportTech's opened my mind today about really like all these other issues in the world, and like it's not just here we're facing but many other places.
We've drawn on a group that do both sports excellence as well as being high potential learners, that it shows them that you can combine the two, that you don't just have to be an athlete to survive and thrive in the sporting environment, but there's many other avenues that you can go, particularly around the technological side of things.